Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be explaining you about math object in JavaScript. So let's dive into this.
I have created a main.js file inside the VS Code and also have written all the methods that the math object has. Now, if I just run the code just to show you the output of each and every one so that you can understand these methods much more clearly. As you can see, math is an object in the JavaScript and math.py will give you the value of pi. Math.round will round the integer to the round the number to the nearest integer. So 4.5 will be rounded to 5. You can see the output. Mat.floor will round the given number down. So 4.9 will be rounded up to 4. You can see here. And if I have written 4.1, it will also be rounded up to 4. So this is how mat.floor works. Mat.ceil will round the value up. So 4.1 becomes 5. Mat.minimum returns the smallest value among the integers or the numbers given inside this method. So you can see among these numbers, the smallest is minus 200, hence the output is minus 200. Mat.max will return the largest value among the given numbers. So among these we have the largest 150. You can see the output. Mat.trunc will remove the decimal value from the integer, from the number. So 6.76 will become 6. You can see the output. Now math.absolute math.abs is used to return the positive value. So minus 4 will become 4, and if I would have written 4, it will remain 4. Math.power calculates power. So it takes two parameters. First one is the number to which the power you want to calculate, and second parameter is the power that you want to calculate. So 2 comma 5 will produce the output 2 to the power 5. The output of 2 to the power 5, that is 32. You can see here. Mat.square root will give you the square root. So the square root of 81 is 9. You can see the output. Mat.trunc. Okay, I have already told you about this. Sorry for that. Okay. Now mat.random. This is very important. Mat.random generates a random number between 0 and 1. So here it has generated, you can see 0.41 and so on. So it generates a random value between 0 and math.random is a function that generates a random value between 0 and 1. Why do we need math.random? So it is a function that is used to basically generate random numbers that we can use to, let's say, if you want to give different colors to different boxes you have made in the HTML and using CSS, and you want to give them different colors randomly. So for that we use math.random, and there are various uses or usage of that math.random function. So one important thing is that how to uh, generate a random number between two given numbers. So for that we have a formula. You can see on the line 21 and line 25 I have written the formula. Now let's say we want to generate a random number between 10 and 20, both inclusive. For that we use this formula. If I just decode what I have written here, So for that, listen to me. Math.random will generate a random number between 0 and 1. You already know. After that, I have multiplied it with max minus min plus 1. So let max is 20, min is 10. 20 minus 10 will become 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So random into 11 plus min. Min is 10. So let's say the math.random generates 0.1. 0.1 into 11 plus 10. What will be the answer? 0.1 into 11 will become 1.1. 1.1 plus 10 is 21.1. Sorry, 11.1. 11.1 will be the output of this part, and mat.floor will float the will give you the value, will give you the down value. So 11.1 becomes 11. So the answer would be 11 if the random number would have been 0.1. So this is how the this method works, and as you can see, it generated the output 11. So 11 is between 10 and 20. So this is how we generate a random number between two given numbers, both inclusive. Now here the number generated is 90 because math.random would have generated another number between 0 and 1. Hence the number is 19. So you can see here 19 is between 10 and 20. So this is how this formula works. Thank you for watching this video.